What's up everyone? My name is Dora. Welcome to my channel. Merry Christmas everyone! I have a special Christmas project for you that I know you're just gonna love. Today I'm gonna show you how to make festive Christmas trees. These trees range in size from 12 to 36 inches tall. You can make them tall or short, fat or skinny, matte or glittery, metallic or flat, it doesn't matter. They're all made the same way. I became obsessed with making these trees last Christmas, and this year I really perfected the best tree making method. It is so easy and so much fun. They're a little bit time consuming, but I personally think they're totally worth it. As always, check out the description for helpful information like tips, updates, the supply list, and more. You can use wooden, plastic, or wire sticks. Use floral tape to attach two sticks to each other for a taller tree. You'll need something to hold the sticks in place, like floral foam. Tape the foam together so it doesn't shift. Then emboss the foam with a circle. Insert a stick in the center. Insert 4 sticks around it, slanting them towards the center stick as you push them in. Take the center stick out, then secure the 4 sticks with a rubber band. Secure a round wire in the center to keep the sticks straight so they don't fall inwards. To create a round wire, bend it around a round object, then secure it with floral tape. Cut the next 4 sticks just short enough so that they wedge in between the first 4. All sticks added from this point on should tuck in right below the previous set, like this. Secure the sticks with a rubber band. Cut the next sticks a bit shorter so that they tuck in below the previous set. Remember to slant the sticks towards the center as you push them in. Secure the sticks with a rubber band. The last sticks will be the shortest. Cut them short enough so they wedge in between the previous set. Secure the sticks with a rubber band. There shouldn't be any sticks sticking out. A turntable makes this next part much easier. We are going to secure the sticks in place. Use skinny rope or twine. Coat the twine in liquid glue. Then tie it tightly around the sticks to secure the sticks in place. Tighten the string with each pass, then tie it. This step secures the structure so the sticks don't shift, and it also makes it more sturdy. I ended up doing the entire tree, but you only really need to do the top part. Next, apply a thicker rope to the entire tree. Coat the rope in glue and don't skip on the glue because this part helps to hold the tree together and makes it really strong, sturdy, and durable. This is also where you create the tree's design or pattern. You can leave some spaces in between the rope layers, or you can wrap the entire tree. This just depends on the look that you're going for. Let the tree dry for 24 hours. Remove the foam. Now finish the bottom part. Make sure to add rope all the way down. Let it dry for 24 hours. Alright, so here are all the trees that I roped, and they are super strong and sturdy. Next, I spray painted them. This one was made with skinny, flimsy wire stems, and I could not believe how sturdy it came out. I was very impressed. Now it's time for the really fun part, decorating the tree. Crushed glass works really well. There's coarse and fine grain. I prefer the fine grain. Glitter also works really well. I personally like to mix fine grain crushed glass with coarse and fine glitter. I find it makes the perfect mix. But the sky is the limit. Just let your imagination go. All of the items will be linked in the description. You know, I actually got stuck on the decorative process for 3 days. I could not decide, so I made a small tree just so I could try out different combinations and see which mixes looked best. For a thin decorative layer, use spray glue, then pour decorations on. Allow the glue to dry completely. After it's dry, remove the excess. About 70% will fall off. For a thicker and more permanent decorative layer, apply liquid glue. Pour the decoration on, then push it down into the glue. Allow the glue to dry completely. After it's dry, knock off the excess. About 10% will come off. I made the two on the left last year, which is evident when you see how whopped and uneven the second one is. The bottom is fat, but the top is skinny like a toothpick. And this year, I made the 5 on the right. So as you can see, my tree making skills have come a long way. Last, we're gonna add final touches like flowers, berries, sprigs, spruce, ribbon, etc. Gaps in between the ropes is really handy for adding flowers and such, but I suggest roping the entire tree for really glittery, sparkling trees because it looks better. And if your tree comes out crooked or ugly, finishing touches can really save it. I put a ribbon around my whopped tree and now it's not so whopped. The ribbon camouflages the width discrepancy so it looks more even. Instead of glittering the entire tree, you could make decorative rope and drape it around the tree. Which tree is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I may have too many, but I love them all. Matter of fact, I already have several ideas for more trees and I cannot wait to create them. The trees especially look great next to my chair. Don't you love it? My cats helped me redecorate it. These trees would make great Christmas gifts. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna make one for one of my besties, Crystal. Her Christmas colors are turquoise, coral, and silver or something like that. I'll get the details, but I'm actually getting like really excited just thinking about all the ideas that I could do with that color scheme. I made all my trees to match my main Christmas tree scheme, which is white, gold, and burlap. I know it's boring, but honestly, I like it the most, and it's kind of just goes with everything. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me today. I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. If you liked this tutorial, show my channel some love and subscribe. Just click my face right there. It's right there in the middle.